On March 14, 2023, the OpenAI AI Lab presented a large multimodal neural network GPT-4. Immediately after the release, the developers opened access to it to ChatGpt+ subscribers with some restrictions. GPT-4 is available to ChatGpt+ subscribers and Bing revamped chat users. The fourth version of the algorithm is capable of accepting a hint and images as input, producing a text result. The neural network can portray the chosen role, speak in a certain tone, and help in solving various problems. This is the fourth generation of the natural language processing model from OpenAI. According to the developers, in comparison with GPT 3.5, the new algorithm is more reliable, more creative, and performs work with instructions faster. The company shared the results of many tests of the neural network and also showed several demonstrations of its work. However, the AI Lab did not provide information about the training data used to create the model, the methods, equipment, or energy consumption during training. The neural network is available in all countries except Afghanistan, Belarus, Venezuela, Iran, China, and Russia. In February, it became known that Ukraine was excluded from the list of states in which OpenAI services are blocked. However, the company's algorithms do not work in the territories temporarily occupied by Russia. Users from regions where the technology is not available will be able to use GPT-4 only if they have a VPN service and an active phone number from a state open to the neural network. To chat with the algorithm, you need to purchase a $20 ChatGPT+ subscription. In March 2023, Microsoft confirmed that the updated Bing runs on an optimized version of GPT-4. Later, the company also removed the waiting list for AI chat, allowing everyone to use an improved search mode. In addition, the Bing algorithm has knowledge beyond before September 2021 and uses up-to-date data in communication. GPT-4, like its predecessor, provides detailed answers to questions. At the time of publication of the article, the speed of text creation remained low. The bot writes about 2 to 3 words per second. On March 21, after a massive crash, the developers introduced a limit of 25 text generations within 3 hours. Prior to this, 100 messages were allowed every 4 hours. The company noted that in addition to multimodality, the algorithm learned to process more than 25,000 words. In comparison, GPT 3.5 could only generate 3,000 words. This increase in text volume allows you to create long content and analyze large documents. According to the developers, GPT-4 can solve complex problems with greater awareness through finer knowledge and capabilities. In any case, communicating with AI is an interesting experience. Technology definitely changes the way you interact with familiar services, expands the possibilities, and simplifies the user experience. Subscribe to my channel to not miss future videos.